Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Anna, and today we're going to be swatching some lipsticks from L'Oreal. That's right, it's time for another swatch video. So, let's get into it. Okay, so today we're going to be swatching out the Color Riche Intense Volume Matte Lipsticks. I have got 5 shades, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you this formula is a 10 out of 10 amazing lipstick formula. These are dupes of the YSL Rouge Volupte lipsticks, I believe. I'll put on the screen what I think they're dupes of. But they're pretty dang good, and they are so luxurious and high-end feeling. Yeah, they come in 22 shades, and they retail for $13.99. Discover L'Oreal's powdery Color Riche Intense Volume Matte Lipstick that lasts for up to 16 hours. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this lipstick leaves lips feeling comfortable and looking fuller all day long. And I absolutely agree. They are a very, very flattering matte lipstick. Like, they have that kind of a smoothing quality to them. They don't emphasize fine lines and wrinkles on the lips. They give a nice plump effect while still being matte, and the wear time is incredible. I have fell asleep and taken a nap, like a big nap, and woke up and these were still going strong on my lips. They're good. They have great longevity. Now, they're not going to survive a meal, like that kind of longevity, like eating and touching your mouth or anything, but they're going to last if you're just drinking a coffee or something like that. They're going to hold on for a really long time. They claim to not smudge, bleed, or migrate or feather. I would agree with that. I think they stay where you put them in the most comfortable way possible. These have to be one of the most comfortable matte lipsticks at the drugstore that is also long wearing at the same time. Yeah, and the shade range is beautiful. You've got gorgeous saturated reds, brownie shades, pinky shades, rosy shades, vibrant shades, just a wonderful variety. Let's go ahead and just get to swatching. Oh, before we do, look at this component. Like, look at this. Does this not look luxe and high-end? It's beautiful. It is so pretty. And they do have this pretty little L'Oreal symbol on the end of the bullet when they're new. They look really high-end. They look luxurious. They look like luxury lipsticks. Okay, let me get everything off that is on my lips currently. I have like the remainder of a lip gloss, lip balm on, and some liner. We're going to start with Le Mauve Indomitable. I think that's what that says. But that's the shade we're going to start out with. And it's just a gorgeous mauve, cool tone smoky mauve. Okay, and there is Le Mauve. Just a gorgeous, soft, truly smoky, pinky mauve color. It's got some lavender in it. Very pretty. Again, so thin and comfortable on the lips. And these do have a fragrance and a bit of a flavor. It's slightly rosy, but not as strong as the original Color Riche lipsticks. Alright, and next up we have Worth It Medium, which is kind of mauve-y as well, but a little bit more brown. A little more dusty rose. I'm a fan of Worth It Medium in all the ranges. Lipstick. It's one of the colors they have in like multiple formats and blush. It's their Pillow Talk. And you see this just has that little bit more smokiness, a little bit more muted, deeper quality to it. Yeah, I would say like almost like a smokiness, if you will. Very pretty. It has a tinge of like a dusty rose in there. So yeah, this is Worth It Medium in the matte formula. These are so comfortable and very soft on the lips. Like, you really don't feel them at all, and they feel very secure. Like, they're not going to go anywhere. You can see how it doesn't look dry on the lips either. It's good stuff. All right, and next up, my favorite, which is Les Wood Nonchalant. This is the first one I've got and have worn it so many times. This is just one of my absolute favorite lipsticks in existence. I don't even know how to describe the shade. It's just beautiful. Like, it's kind of brown. It's kind of raisin. Again, it's very muted. It's a very unique color. So this is Les Wood Nonchalant. Yeah, it's a little woodsy. All right, and next up we have Le Nude Assertive. And this one's kind of a warmer brownie shade. Don't know how to describe it either. The shades they're hard to nail down in this range. Like chocolatey, red, brown. I don't know. But yeah, nice vampy, dark, oxblood red. Like a blackened oxblood. Does that make sense? I don't know. Anyway. Le Nude Assertive. It's an assertive shade. She's definitely a statement. And I love it. And lastly, we have Worth It Intense. It's like a dark rosy brown. There we go. This is Worth It Intense. One of my favorite shades. Actually, I love all of them. And you can tell I kind of have a type when it comes to lipsticks. Like, type of shade I like. Yeah. Okay, and that is my little selection of the Color Riche Intense Volume matte lipsticks from L'Oreal. What do you think? I think these are just beautiful. The formulation, I can't say enough good things about the formula of these. They are so incredibly comfortable. Like, they are top tier. Comfort level, wear time, they tick all the boxes, and they look so smooth and flattering on the lips as well. They're not going to emphasize texture. They're comfortable. They will transfer, but they hang out a long time on lips as well. So yeah, they tick all the boxes for me. They wear very gracefully, and you can apply them as a stain, and it also is really pretty. I think they're great. They are a 10 out of 10 lipstick for me at the drugstore, and they don't feel like a drugstore lipstick. These feel very, very luxe. These feel like a high-end lipstick. And yeah, I love them. Love them to death. And I might have to get more shades because I love the colors I got so much. And I reach for them all the time. The range there's a few vibrant poppy shades in there, but they're mostly more muted, very classic, elevated, nuanced shades that are kind of a little bit on a smoky side, I guess you could say. There's something unique about the shades. They're kind of hard to nail down, and I really appreciate that. They're not too far off from the Maybelline Ultimates. Kind of close. Kind of similar type of shade range and everything, but there's something a little bit more luxe about the L'Oreal ones, just because the packaging and everything. They look pretty in your vanity, but I do love these too. So yeah, you're gonna get a similar wear time and all of that. Let me know your thoughts, and if you've picked any of these up, what are your favorite shades? And let me know some more lip products, and let me know some more lipstick collections you want to see swatched out in the comments down below. I still have some Milani swatches coming your way of the new lip balms, so keep an eye out for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye now.